The season is just getting underway here. The cover crop's been cut. The fields are being prepped. There's some seedlings here I want to show you. We've got some kale and some collards, some tomatoes. This is cilantro, and the little one is fennel. Several different peppers, shishito, sweet peppers. I'm pretty sure these are eggplant. Lots more tomatoes. Who can tell me what this is? We have a lot of basil going. It's looking really good too. These are all eggplant for sure, of different varieties. And a bunch of new stuff. We'll see what